Hello dear students, welcome in this maths class. Let's do this question. This is taken from class 8 mathematics from DAB board book. So chapter 16 is rotational symmetry. This is enrichment question. Question is produce pattern by performing the following transformation on the given figure. So in this figure we are to perform some transformations and we are to produce the pattern obtained from that transformations. So let's see what are the transformations. First of all, A part is rotation of 90 degree, then 180 degree, then 270 degree about the vertex A. It means we are to rotate this figure about the vertex A. About the vertex A means we are to keep the vertex A fixed and we are to rotate this figure about this vertex by keeping the vertex A as fixed. Okay, we have to rotate about 90 degree, 270 degree, 180 degree these. So let's perform this activity and side by side we will see what figure will be obtained from the activity. We will draw this figure here. So let's start. I made the similar figure as figure given here. Now I'll keep this figure here and I'll rotate this first of all about 90 degree, then 180 degree, then 270 degree. Now I have drawn these axes also and I'll rotate this figure by 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. So here I have made this figure rotation of 90 degree. We'll get the square ultimately this figure whatever it is there, and then we'll see where this A point will go. A point will be definitely will be fixed only, and where this B will go and where this cut will go. So let's see. So first of all I'll keep this on this axis and here A point will be fixed because I need to rotate this about point A. So A will be fixed. Now let's rotate by 90 degree. So it is 90 degree. See, this will be 90 degree. So it means A will come here and B is here and this cut will be there. So just by looking only, just leave this and you can write the points here. A is coming here now and B is with respect to it, it will be here, right? And then this will be here, right? Now let's rotate this by 180 degree, means more than 90 degree is rotated already. Now one more rotation of 90 degree, that will complete its 180 degree. So see, it is 180 degree more. So this is 180 degree. So let's see what are the positions of these points now. It is A now. Okay, so A is this, right? And this is our cutting point, this cutting line like you can say, and this is B, vertex B here, and this is. So when we'll rotate this by 180 degree we get this figure like this way. Okay, so let's rotate by 270. It means 90 degree more rotation. Okay, it is already 180, so one more rotation of 90 degree, that will complete its 270 degree. So figure will come like this way. Okay, so it is A vertex will be showing here, B here, and this will be here. So this way we will show its 90, 180 and 270 rotation. So let's see what is the second part. So in B part, we'll solve B part here. I have drawn these figures already. So let's see. A rotation of 90 degree about vertex A followed by a reflection about the base of the figure so obtained. So in this figure we have to do two steps. First of all we have to rotate this figure by 90 degree about vertex A. So that we have done also here. Same figure we will get. So let's see again how it is. So if I keep the figure here in this axis and keeping the vertex A as fixed, okay, then 90 degree turn I am giving it, rotation of 90 degrees. So figure will look like this way. So it means here in first step a rotation of 90 degree about vertex A. Figure is A will show like this way here, B will be here, okay, this cut will be here. So this way we will get this figure. Again it is said that followed by a reflection about the base of the figure so obtained, base of the figure so obtained. Now what we do, it is this, that followed by means after this what we are to do, reflection about the base of this figure. Base of this figure is this AB. Now we are to reflect this figure, we are to get the reflection of this figure about base AB. Okay, about base AB means AB base will be fixed and then we will rotate this figure. Like you think that if we are keeping this figure in the mirror, means if we keep this figure in the mirror or above the mirror, you can say, suppose I am keeping here base is this and mirror is this. Okay, mirror is this downside. So how will be looking this figure? It will be looking like this. AB will be looking here and this side will come to this side here. In down this will be shown. Okay, so AB will be fixed and this portion will be looking here. Okay, so you can see this way we get the reflection in this of this figure in the mirror. This is mirror reflection. We'll get here. Okay, so this portion will be looking here, right? And A will be here only because about AB we are to rotate this reflection of this figure about AB. AB will be fixed only. This portion will be looking here. This cutting will be here. This vertex will be here. A and B will be here. So this is the reflection of this figure about the base AB. Again I repeat how we will see the reflection of this figure about this base AB. AB will be fixed. Okay, so whatever is the shape of this figure above AB, okay, so it will be looking similar as below AB, right? So this figure or this cut will be here looking this, you can imagine this vertex will be looking here, B will be here only, A will be here only. So side by side you can draw here. So if I see or if I rotate this or reflection about the base of this figure obtained, then it will be like this way. A will be looking here, B will be here and this cutting line will be here. Okay, and this point will be here only. Let's see its reflection in the mirror about this base AB. So I told you this cutting line will be coming here and this vertex will be visible here in the mirror. So let's see by putting the mirror also. So I'm putting here mirror about this AB side and see here its reflection how it is coming in the mirror. So here only same as I told you that AB will be fixed there only and this cutting line so is visible here only. See in the mirror also it is visible here. So this way we can do this activity. So its figure will come similar as this figure here we have drawn. You can observe in the figure. Okay, so this is the solution of the second part. Thanks for watching.